Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. Today, we're going to be going over my April 2025 monthly budget, because it's around the corner. Today is the 28th. We only got a few more days left in March, and I figured I would look at it. But baby, I can tell you already, we are in the negative. I have some ideas how I could work around it, but I don't love it. But if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's $3.99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the algorithm and all that jazz. And leave me a comment down below. You know, I like to know what you are doing right now. You cooking, you cleaning, you doing your own budget, you doing your tracking expensive, you just hanging out with the kids, you just chilling and having some downtime. Let me know down in the comments. Also, have you done your April budget yet? So let me tell you before we even get started. No, I'll tell you after, girl, let's just get started, okay? So here we go. Here we go. $1,572 is budgeted for income number one. $1,647 is budgeted for income number two. I am a bi-weekly budgeter who is on a salary. It usually comes in about this amount with some change. I do not have a magic month, and I do not know if I think I'm going to get some YouTube money this month. I didn't get any last month. And hopefully I can sell something on Mercari or Poshmark in April and get some money in that way. The only rollover I have currently scheduled is 99 cents for my Apple storage. This time I went ahead, and as you can see, I updated my colors for the second quarter. I'm feeling this pink, dusty pink and mustard and sage kind of vibe. And then I did also put my date ranges for the month to give myself a better idea. Date ranges from 0404 to 0501. So we'll know that we're catching all those dates in between here. Also, this is a part of a system that I have created for myself to be able to see this month. Plus, I also have set up quarter two to show you each paycheck by paycheck for myself. But this is sold in my hobby, girl, in my Ko-Fi shop down in the description. If you're interested, it's not crazy. It's not super expensive. If it's something you think would help you, it's down there for purchase. Okay, moving right along. So that will leave us with an income of $3,219.99 for the month. I am a single person, no children, no husband. It's just me out here with God. Okay. So when it comes to my expenses, the mortgage is $1,308.26. It changed last month. This is our new mortgage for the year. Apple storage is 99 cents, which reflects that rollover we just spoke about. $46.21 for water. As far as I know, I have not gotten the water bill, so this is what I'm budgeting, although it was a slightly bit less last month. And then the car insurance is $183.36. $160. It's in pink because why? It went up from $141. I actually called them about the flat rate billing that we were talking about prior. However, the flat rate billing, she said that it would bring me down to like 138 or something, but she said I would have to pay off the balance that was on this current budget billing. And right now I have like a $360 balance on budget billing, I guess because I've been going over, but I've just been paying the same. It's really not the same because when I started on budget billing, I was paying $85 and slowly is now at $160. So she told me just to make sure everything that I wasn't using was plugged out in the day, as well as setting my heat at 68, which is always really low, and my AC at like 78 in the summertime. She said also when I get the bill down to where I don't owe any balance and I have it steadily at a certain rate, then call back for flat rate billing at that time. So right now I'm going to have to suck it up because no flat rate billing just not going to work for me. I don't have $300 something just to give them to be on a flat rate plan. That's only going to save me about $20. No. So with all that being said, the new bill is $160. So I'll go ahead and make that clear now that we've discussed that. And the gym is going to be $40. We only have to pay it for May because we would have paid April with this last check from March. Now, internet is $80. It's currently on a contract. I'm not sure when that's over, but it's $80 every month. Security equipment, I'm sorry, the security fee is $27.14 monthly, $43.20 for the security equipment. I will be happy when that is paid off, whenever that is, Lord. And then the trash, I put $11 each month so that the next quarter, but the $33 due will be put away, will be getting paid April 1st for the last time. So I'll be calling them on April 1st to make this next installment payment. Although I think I'm missing $8 in that account. I only have like $25 saved, but I'll just take that out and build a buffer to pay the April one. And this is my debt section. So in the debt section, I have my Quicksilver card, my Saver One credit card, and those two both have running balances, but I pay them in my tracking expenses. If you watch my weekly what I spend in a week video, you'll see me pay them, spend on them, and pay them right off. Right now, they both should have probably zero balances. Hold on. We don't have to check. That's not this video. Okay, Discover card. There should be nothing on that. And then my card payment is $467. I split bill pay that, but it's $467 for the month. Home Depot card has nothing on it, and the Advantage is my student loan. It's $70.67 currently, leaving us a total of $537.67 in debt. And our total for expenses was $1,925.16. Now, moving on to our variable expenses, because the mortgage had went up, we went down on these last month, getting used to it. So far, so good. Eating out gets $60, fun gets $30, gas gets $100, giving gets $20, groceries is $200, self-care gets $70, and yes, that is all I can get for the month. It's not a lot, but I have to make it work right now. $480 in variable expenses for the month. Next, we have our sinking funds, which we're praising the Lord that we even get to stuff at this point, because I don't even remember being able to do a lot of this last year. So apparel is getting $10. Build a buffer is getting $10. So this is where I put a note for myself that I may need to move this $10 into my income, because you'll see when we get to the bottom of this budget that I am over budget. So this is my thought process right now. Birthday is $10. Car maintenance, $10. Christmas, $15. Emergency fund, $20. Medical, health, and medical, $10 for the month. Baby, I wish I could give myself a little bit more, because that fund took a hit this last month in March. HOA gets $44. Household gets $40. HVAC is getting $50. Sam's Club is fully funded. And boom. Do I have my... Yeah. Let's ring that bell. Every time we're going to celebrate all the victories past and present, okay? And future. Amazon is getting $14. Beauty is getting $40. Travel is getting $10. Treat Yourself is getting $1. And YouTube Boss, we don't have anything projected for it. All the things, nothing projected, and zero for all other currently. That's a total of $284 going into sinking funds. Now, savings. There's $2 that goes into Navy Federal, and that's basically just $1 each paycheck to make sure that account stays open. Now, that's $2 total. Now we have nothing in the buffer currently, and our total expenses is $3,228.83, and our income is $3,219.99, which leaves us with a balance of negative $8.84, unfortunately. So we have a negative budget currently, and this is where I left myself a note that if I take $0 take $10 out of the Build a Buffer fund, and I put it in like the rollover section at $10 and leave myself a note, because I won't remember that 99 cents was for the Apple storage, and $10 is coming from Build a Buffer to cover our negative balance. Okay, and so now when we go back to the bottom, we are positive $11.16. So of course we want a zero-based budget, so I'm going to move that $11.16 over to build a buffer here, and I'm sorry, into my buffer account, leaving us with a zero-based budget. which is weird to me because I'm like, how did we go from 11? What did I add? I just added 10. I thought we would have just had $2. That's weird. Maybe I'm losing it. But we're going to go with that for now. I did take it out, right? So build a buffer is going to get nothing at this point. At this point, yeah, it just is what it is. There is money in there already. And then I did just add $10, right? Yeah, I'm not bugging. Okay. So that's what it says we've got going on now. So now we have $3,218.83 in the total expenses, but we have $3,229.99 coming in as amount and 11,816 mortgage. As buffer. So yeah, guys, that is the breakdown of the April monthly budget. Let us pray that somehow, some way, things do come in a little more and we won't have to take away from build a buffer, but at least we have a plan for that in the meantime. And my focus is basically going to be Psalms 146, 3 verses 6. Do not put your trust in princes and human beings who cannot save. When their spirit departs, they return to the ground. On that very day, their plans come to nothing. Blessed are those who help is in the God of Jacob, whose hope is in the Lord their God. And that is where my help comes from, and my hope is in the Lord. So that being said, let me tell y'all really quickly about how the job just sent out an email today stating to us that we will not be getting our annual increases or merit increases at work because the company is having a hard time, blah, 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 blah. And honestly, yes, it really sucks. I could have used 1, 2, 3%, whatever percent we was going to get. I could have used it. However, it's not coming. I appreciate them letting us know. And it was so weird because I was talking to my coworkers about it this morning, like that same morning. And then by the afternoon, they sent out an email. But all I can say is, again, back to the verse I just read, I cannot hope or trust in men. Okay. I just trust in the Lord, who is always going to provide for me. And, that's all I can do. I can just be grateful. That letter could have said that a couple people were losing their jobs or we were paring down and people were going to be laid off. It just says we wasn't getting a raise. So for that, I am grateful and we will figure it out. Okay. But that's the end of this video today, peeps. Let me know how you are doing. Are you ready for April? I am ready for April to start. I'm not even going to lie, fam, because March was March Madness for real. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Who is tired of seeing all the Christmas stuff in the winter background? It is spring, Tara. Oh my God. Anyway, have a wonderful, blessed day. And I love you. Mean it. Bye. Faith over fear, baby. Holding it down, baby. On the ground, baby. Baby.